Today's video is a hair video and it is all about this guy here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is all about hair. So there's a reason why my hair is like this. We'll talk about that in a moment. But I think I might have the product that's gonna help. And it is this guy right here. So this is a hair straightening brush and it is by the brand Nisperos. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I'm probably not, knowing me. But yeah, the brand contacted me and said if they were to send me this, would I do an unboxing on my channel? Would I do a little demo, which is exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm hoping it's going to help this situation I have going on right here. So fingers crossed that it will. So yeah, again, to be totally clear and transparent, I have not paid for this. This has been gifted to me, but that does not buy a good review. I will only give a good review if it earns a good review. So let's get to it. I am going to separate my hair and put some heat protectant on it, and while I'm doing that, I'll speed the video up for you, but while I'm doing that I'm going to do a little voiceover just telling you about this product because it is pretty cool. I will link this down below in the information box and the comment box for you if you want to treat for yourself. Definitely get it for yourself. But let me have a look there. This is currently on Amazon for £35.99. There's a sale on at the moment where you can save 31%. The original price is £51.99. So let's get to unboxing it first and then we can get to trying it out. Ooh. Right, so this is how it comes in the box. So we have some instructions here. Fabulous. We'll have a look at them in a moment. We get a heat protecting glove, and what I like about this glove is you've got these little grippy bits here. They're on both sides because obviously you're going to be swapping hands with it, so that is great. And then we have the actual straightening brush itself, and it comes in like a little velvet pouch. Yeah, here it is, and it feels lovely. It feels a really nice weight. It's not too heavy and certainly not light, and it feels really good quality. We have the wire here. It looks very long, very long, which is fabulous. Let's undo it. So here it is. Yeah, great. And then we have the plug. So let's turn it on and see what it looks like. There's a little screen there and it says off. So where is the instruction manual? I popped it away for safekeeping. Right, so here is a little diagram on the instructions. So it just says here built-in heater. Then it's got anion spray, an LCD display, temperature setting, on-off switch. So it kind of seems straightforward and quite easy to use. So normally it's kind of bad, but I don't hold it on my hair too long. When it comes to straightening my hair, I always whack it up to the full temperature. So yeah, just don't keep it on the hair, just keep it on moving. So let's turn it on. There you go, and at the moment it's automatically set on 180. And you've got a minus and a plus button here, so if I go it down, yeah, look, you can see it going down, 160, yeah, let's take it right up. What's the highest? So the highest is 230. So I'm just going to leave it a moment, let that heat up. It has a little display there going up and down, showing that it's heating up. I am guessing when it gets to the full, oh, it's done it already. Yeah, it stayed steady at the full whack, it's done. That did not take long at all for it to heat up. Wow, impressed. So let's get to the reason why. I've got this hairband in and my hair looks like this. I've literally just washed my hair and I've blow dried it and it has gone so super frizzy and poofy. very poofy. So yes, I'm gonna grab a clip, we're gonna section it and do section by section, and let's talk about it. Right, so here is the first section. I'm probably going to do it in 3 sections, which is normally how I do my hair. I've just got some heat protectant here. It's Tresemme heat protectant. Use it all the time and certainly will keep using it in the future. Distribute that, and I'll put that on each layer as I'm going up. So as you can see, very, very frizzy, lots of flyaways. It's not good. I would like to try this when I naturally dry my hair as well. I've got very, very wavy hair, so that will be interesting. I think what I'll do is if I can, insert a clip. But yeah, let's put it through the hair like this and then slowly pull it down the hair. Oh, it's giving it a nice little shape. It gets quite close to the root, but not close enough that it burns or anything like that. Let's get the next section of hair. And then all the way down. Nice. Yeah, that looks nice. So if you look at the difference compared to each side, we have this side, then we have this. So yeah, we're going to whiz on forward, we'll speed this up and we'll see what the whole head looks like. Let's learn some more about this. Double ionic generators produce a large number of negative ions to remove electrostatic from your hair, keeping your hair smooth and shiny. The brush uses ceramic heating technology that only takes 25 seconds to heat up, and fast reheat technology is available, which saves you time and lasts longer. So the brush teeth and the handle are anti-scald, and it also has a protective heating plate that's designed to protect you and your hair. This straightener brush has 16 temperature settings for different hair and also a temperature lock function. It will automatically shut down when not in use after 60 minutes. In case of overcurrent or overheat, the fuse will go automatically. Right guys, so this is the finished result. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Let me just show you the back. Does that look alright? My hair feels lovely and soft using it. It's actually got a lovely shine. It feels so good. Holding it, it just feels like a normal hairbrush. Let me just pull my hairs out that's stuck in it. Compared to other straightening brushes that I've used before, you can actually use this as a hairbrush. Just pop it in your hair and just brush like so. The bristles on it are very hard. They move a tiny bit. I was kind of worried because if you see the gaps between the bristles, I thought like, yeah, I'm going to put my hair in and it's not going to basically hold the hair to brush it through, but it holds on to the hair no problem at all. You just get it and do that, and look at that, it clings on. It's so easy to use. If you're in a rush and you just want to run this through your hair quickly, it's gonna work. That took not even 5 minutes, and I'm not even exaggerating. It was super quick, and my hair feels amazing, and I think it looks really good too. What do you think? Personally, I think this is well worth the money. Yes, I know I have been gifted it, but I always like to put myself in the position, if I have been gifted something, I always like to think, if I've basically saved up the pennies and bought this myself, would I be happy with my purchase? And yes guys, yes yes yes. It makes doing your hair so easy. Like minutes, it took me minutes to do my hair. Perfect, absolutely perfect. And look how shiny and healthy it looks. Wow. Yeah guys, massive thumbs up from me. Again, the link is down below in the information box and the comment box. Make sure to give it a click and go grab yourself one. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.